everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do my Boxycharm unboxing. This month they behaved so good. I got it a couple of days ago and I was extremely surprised because usually it takes a little longer than what this month took them. So yeah, I'm extremely grateful. So we are just going to jump to it. I'm gonna keep on doing it in the same manner as the previous one. I'm going to show you the product that I'm going to use, and I'm going to tell you from which box it is. The first product that I'm going to start with is this one. This is from my premium box, and this is the Alpha H Balancing Cleanser. This is a multitasking cleanser made with luxurious vitamin E and aloe vera. This retails for $36. It says to dampen face and then massage this into the complexion. Brought 2 wet cloth. I'm dampening my face. And now I'm gonna go for the cleanser. It is kind of a lotion. It is more towards a lotion cleanser. It has a very lovely scent. Now I'm gonna use the same one to just remove it. It feels hydrating. It doesn't leave a film, and that I appreciate. The next things that I'm going to use are 2 products for eyes. One is the one that I chose. It is from my premium box also. It is a Cat Burki Nutrient C Eye Cream. It is a rich, nourishing eye cream with vitamin C, specifically designed for the delicate eye area. This retails for $90. This is supposed to even be applied by itself. I don't have to do nothing. I'm grateful that I got it here. This is the packaging. I have already started using another product from Cat Burki, and I have been liking it a lot. It's also a vitamin C, but instead for the eyes, it is for the face. I just took that out, and it is a lot. Oh, it has a little bit. It smells just like the vitamin C cream that I have. Really light. The next product that I'm going to use is this one. Came in my base box, and also I picked this one. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. Reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. This retails for $42. I have been having a lot of good experiences with the Glow Recipe. That's why I opted also for this one, regardless that I have already chose another one. This is the component. I know that this looks good, but I really appreciate it. They could use some other type of component that it would be a lot more easier to just grab the product. This one, it has been already absorbed, so I'm gonna use just this bit. And now I'm going to just disperse it. I'm using my ring finger. I like this one better than the other one just by texture, because this one feels a lot more thicker, and as I said, I enjoy more thicker consistency for eye creams. I have done a couple of my complexion stuff, and this is a new foundation for me that I'm trying. Be in the lookout to see which it is and which is my opinion from it. But the next product that I can use, it is this, and this came in my base box. This is the Alleyoop Stack of Buds, a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact. It has a cream blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. And this retails for $38. I was sent the shade Sassy Pants. In my previous box, I have already tried this product in some other shade, and it's really good. That's why I was extremely happy to get this again. It has a magnetic closure. I like the shade of the component. The first one, it is a highlighter. When you twist it to the side, this is the blush, and when you twist it again, you get the bronzer. I think the bronzer is a little light for what I would normally go for. I just took that much, and I'm gonna start by using as a guideline the higher part of my ear. and I'm pressing it. Oh, I'm surprised. This looks more in myself as a contour shade. It is a lot more gray when I apply it. I don't know if you agree with me, but when I'm looking at the mirror, it is more like a contour shade. So, I'm liking it a lot more. And I wasn't humble with how much I applied, but this is extremely easy to blend. Good. I always like to block my chin a little bit, and I don't do much of a contouring nose thing, but at least I like to give it a little bit of color. And now I'm gonna go for the blush. I'm not into pink tones blushes. Since it is a cream, that's why I'm using the pressing motion. Instead, if it was a powder, I would just float on the bristles of my brush into my complexion. Now I'm gonna use my finger. It is the way that I used the previous one. This is the shade, and I'm just gonna lightly tap this into the highest point up on my cheek. I need a little bit in my cupid's bow. I've already set my complexion, and now I'm gonna go for the next product that I can use. This came in my base box, and this is the, I think it is Qveen Studio or something like that. Bow Down Brow Glue. Commands your brow. This is an easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula. This retails for $16, and supposedly it makes them to stay in place for 16 hours as well. So you pay $1 for the hour. As it may be. This is the unique card, and this is the actual component. I have thick eyebrows, so it's not easy to find a product that could really hold my brows in place. They try, but they don't do much. So I'm just going to brush this into my brows, and usually I always do my eye makeup first and then I do my brows, but today I did the opposite of it. At least I feel like something is being applied to my brows, so okay. I have 3 products for my eye look. The first one is this. This is the Shadowmoon Reusable Shadow Shield. This retails for $15. It is a silicone reusable shadow shield. The next product, and it came in my base box. Also from my base box is this from Girlactik. This is the Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. This retails for $20, and this is in the shade Glam. And this is the color. From my premium box, I got this Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette in the shade Symphony. This retails for $34. Supposedly, this is kind of a mauves and warm shimmers color story, which you can agree. This Lawless Beauty Forget the Lip Filler Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. I have one of these and I liked it a lot. This retailed for $25, and this is the Rosy Outlook. I brought a lip liner just to see if I'm in the need for, but this is it. I think it is the same shade. No, it's a little bit lighter than the one that I have. The doe foot is really different. It really hugs your lip. It smells like a fruity juice. I really do hate when I stain the doe foot of my glosses, so sometimes I just rather apply them with my finger because I really do hate it. It drives me nuts. I have that minty sensation from the plumping part. It doesn't bother me at all. It isn't overwhelming, so I'm good with that. So sweet, this is it. I'm just gonna go through everything that I use and the products that I didn't use. Let's just start with the products that I didn't use. They are all from my premium box, and the first one that I didn't use, it is this Popmask Sleepover Rose Scented Self-Warming Sleep Mask. Why I didn't use it? Because it is supposed to go on top of my eyes, and I have lash extensions, and I have to research if I can use this on top of my lashes. But usually I'm all in for this kind of masking. This retails for $20. This is supposed to smooth your tired eyes and allow you to lie back, relax, doze, daydream, meditate, and just unplug from life. It says that it can relieve migraine, tension headaches, dry eyes, and sleep problems. I will look into it. The other product that I didn't use is this one, and this is from Playa. This is a Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner. It is an ultra-light yet deep conditioning treatment formulated for chemical-treated, dry, frizzy, and environmentally damaged hair. This retails for $24, and I didn't use it because I just washed my hair. But usually the products that I get in my boxes for hair, they are awesome. Now for the products that I use. I'm gonna go in the order that I use them. So first we start with I really like the cleanser. It was really gentle, and I like the fact that my skin felt hydrated as soon as I remove it. I didn't remove it with warm water. I just remove it with lukewarm water. So I think it will be a lot more enjoyable if I do it as instructed. From there, I use the two eye products. The first one that I use is the Cat Burki. Consistency, as in it isn't a light, it isn't a thick, it is in the middle of it, and I really did like it. This is how my under eye is looking, and he is looking really fine, by the way. But this is skincare, so you have to keep on using it a couple of times just to make sure how it really works on you. And the Retinol, this is from Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. I like this one better because of the consistency. This is a lot more thicker, and I like, as a personal preference, thicker consistency eye creams. This stack of odds from Alleyoop. I have already used one of these, and I was really satisfied with it. It's extremely good. Really easy to blend. You have to apply a little bit more than you would normally do, because when you set your complexion, you do lose a little bit of the potency of the color in your complexion. But you can reapply on top of an already set complexion, because I did it for the second time. Yes, and it didn't lift, and didn't move, and didn't do anything weird to my already set complexion. So this is a wow product for me. From there, I use the Qveen Studio Bow Down Brow Glue. It's just like a normal regular one. What I didn't like so far is that you can see it when it dries, because it says it doesn't flake, but that it is a lie, because when I scratch my eyebrow, you can see all those flakes. Is from this product. If you do use this, don't attempt to touch your eyebrows, because you're gonna have flakes. I didn't like this. I'm not sure if it is a me situation or the product situation. I think it is to mess up with a lot of things, because if you are using a palette, the mirror of a palette, you don't have enough hands to press that into your eye and then apply the shadow that you're going to use and hold the mirror. That's the one thing. I think it is too stiff, and that won't allow you to have a precise application because it happened in this eye. So no, for me, not. But maybe it is that I'm not used to use this kind of a product. The Ofra signature palette in the shade Symphony. I use the entire palette, the 5 shades that I have here. They work like a charm, and for the first time I didn't use an eye primer, and this is what I got. It blends really easily. I didn't get any patchiness. I didn't get anything because I thought that I was going to use the eyeshadow, the metallic eyeshadow that I have also, but instead I just went with this, and it was really good. All the shades are amazing. Girlatik Metallic Eye Sparkle. I thought at first that this was going to be a really dense, that will pack a punch of a liquid eyeshadow, but it isn't. It is a eyeshadow topper. So in that I was disappointed, but still it performed really good. I just used it as a base, and then I pressed the gold shade from the palette, and this is what I got from it. So you can use this as an all over shade, or use a shade all over your entire eye and just give it a something with this on top. The Lawless Lip Plumping something, the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. I already like this. I have already tried one of them, and I know for a fact that it is a really good product. The only thing that I'm wearing in my lips, and still I have that minty sensation, not tingly, minty. I like both of my boxes a lot. Everything worked like a charm. You can see on my complexion, I got a really nice eye look. So sweets, I hope you like it, and if you did, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!